This weekly crop review is brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.
For week 23 of the 2015-2016 sugarcane crop season, the factory milled 45,585 tons of cane. So far, for the 23 weeks of crop, the factory has milled a total of 1,060,813 tons of cane. That is 76,353 tons less than what was milled last year, when the factory ground 1,137,166 tons of cane. Taking a look at sugar production, 5,212 tons of the sweetener was produced for week 23, and a total of 106,257 tons during the 23 weeks of crop. That figure continues to be much less than the 137,570 tons produced last year. For the 23rd week of crop, the factory worked at a grinding rate of 6,512 tons cane per day and 6,589 tons cane per day for the 23 weeks of crop. Last crop, the grinding rate stood at 7,063 tons cane per day. The report on cane quality shows that for week 23, juice purity first expressed stood at 86.93%, 85.58% for the 23 weeks of crop, and 87.97% last year. For the 23rd week of crop, it took 8.75 tons of cane to produce 1 ton of sugar. For the 23 weeks of crop, TCTS stands at 9.98. Last year, it stood at 8.27. As for the sugar extracted from the cane, 96.33% was recorded for this week, 95.99% for the 23 weeks of crop, and 95.34% last year during the same period. This week, factory time efficiency stood at 98.49%, 96.40% for the 23 weeks of crop, and 97.96% last crop. Cañeros, cañeras, es importante limpiar del lodo sus camiones antes de cargar la caña, ya que esto puede afectar la calidad total de la caña.
This weekly crop review was brought to you by ASR Group, Belize Sugar Industries Limited.